When I can quickly pull a dent with the right tool, I'm always satisfied. Dent Entertainment is evolving, incorporating PDR and collision. Simply clean the panel, warm it up, and put the tab in the dent. Much of the work will be done by the drill's rotating movement. The paint remains intact. The link for these tools can be found down below in the description. Some of the goods have already been sold out. If you hesitate, it might be too late. Do you have stretched aluminum or steel that has been over-pulled? Well, with this unit, you can shrink both. There will be no more ripping tabs. Everyone is switching to stainless. The freight train has left the station, so get on board. MOS, Man of Steel, will be delighted to assist you with your next dent. I have more how-to videos using these resources. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.